Private Jet Maintenance is your source for maintenance, repair, and overhaul services in the New York tri-state area and Florida. Avoid expensive, painful downtime on your jet. If you own or maintain an executive business jet, especially one manufactured in the year 2000 or before, you may have gotten the cold shoulder from OEM service centers like Dassault Falcon Jet, Bombardier, and Gulfstream for the simple reason that they do not want your business. They're too busy with warranty work, their young technicians don't understand how these classic jet systems work, and for that reason, if you're able to get a slot at one of these OEMs, expect to pay through the nose and expect your job to take forever. Downtime of your jet leads to huge outside charter costs and a lack of control, which is probably why you bought your business jet in the first place. At Private Jet Maintenance, our average technician has 23 years experience keeping private jets in state-of-the-art condition. Scheduled inspections, avionics installations, engine inspections, removal and replace, aircraft interior service, A checks, B checks, C checks, D checks, landing gear overhauls. About the only thing we don't do is paint. If you own a classic business jet, don't trust your asset to anyone else. Whether you need to punch out a due list, your jet is broken and you need AOG support in the Northeast or Florida, or if you're looking for an outsourced maintenance department for your aircraft, my guys Ben Chifo, Scott Knopp, Brian Judah, and their team know how to keep your plane flying safely, compliantly, and they'll always shoot you straight. We have hangars with highly skilled technicians in New York and Florida. To discuss your airplane MRO needs, please contact our Director of Maintenance, Ben Chifo, directly at 716-863-4200.